Do you constantly get notifications from Apple that your iCloud storage is getting full, and then they want you to buy more iCloud storage by paying them money every single month? And you are frustrated because you do not know why your iCloud storage is full, because you just want to save important documents and picture in your iCloud so you can sync your MacBook and iPhone, but you do not want to buy more because obviously we have to pay Apple every month just for more storage, which doesn't make sense. It's frustrating. So if you are facing this problem, then this quick tutorial will certainly help you. In this video we are going to talk about why our iCloud storage is automatically getting filled up, and the ways, some settings that we can change to stop that, and then your iCloud storage will never get full. You will never get notification, because then we will only save the required documents and the required photos that are important for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is my MacBook screen. So first of all, we need to click on system settings. Once you go inside system settings, so as you can see, we have iCloud. If you scroll down, click on iCloud, then this is the iCloud section. So by default Apple provides 5 GB of iCloud storage that you can, if you click on manage, you will see all the files and all. You can delete them manually. So, and now here is an option of upgrade to iCloud Plus. Obviously we have to pay money every month if we want iCloud Plus, and if we are heavily dependent on that. But for me and for most of you who are watching, 5 GB is sufficient if we just want to store our important PDFs, if we just want to store our important information in form of notes, voice recordings, or in some cases photos. So what is happening actually? Why our iCloud storage is getting full? It's because Apple by default, they are very smart and they keep some settings on. They automatically sync your desktop, your photos, your drive to iCloud. So let's check that out. So here is a section of saved to iCloud. Let's click on see all, and then you will see all the sections that are automatically turned on, and Apple is storing this data in iCloud. So the culprit in my case is desktop. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to turn off that sync. So let's find that out. Where is desktop? iCloud drive, and here as you can see, if I clicked on iCloud drive, now here as we can see that desktop and documents folder are already in sync. So whatever you keep on your desktop, be it any photo or video or even screen recording, it will automatically get synced to iCloud, and it will occupy a space, and obviously it will occupy full 5 GB. So first you need to turn off this setting, and then nothing from iCloud is automatically synced with desktop. It will save you a lot of space.